Does ClickUp cost money? Alright, let's cut to the chase. You're probably here because you're eyeing ClickUp as your next productivity savior, right? And the burning question is, does it cost you a dime? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of ClickUp pricing. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. You see, in a world overflowing with free tools, the price tag can be a deal breaker. So, is ClickUp just another shiny object, or is it worth the investment? That's what we're here to figure out. So, here's the short answer: yes, ClickUp does cost money. But hold your horses. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. ClickUp offers a variety of plans to cater to different needs and budgets. From solopreneurs just starting out to large enterprises managing complex projects, there's a ClickUp plan out there for you. Let's break it down. The core of ClickUp is free. Yes, you heard that right. You can sign up for a free account and get access to a pretty solid set of features. Think tasks, checklists, and basic project management. It's a great way to test the waters and see if ClickUp is your cup of tea. But as with most free tiers, there are limitations. You'll have restrictions on storage, the number of users, and access to advanced features. Now, if you find yourself needing more power, it's time to upgrade. ClickUp offers several paid plans, each with its own set of perks. The unlimited plan is popular for small teams, giving you unlimited tasks, storage, and members. For growing businesses, the business plan adds even more features like time tracking, custom workflows, and advanced reporting. And for those who need the whole shebang, there's the enterprise plan, tailored for large organizations with complex needs. But wait, there's more. ClickUp also offers a unique pricing model called ClickUp Plus. It's like a buffet where you pick and choose the features you want and pay accordingly. This can be a game changer if you only need a few specific features and don't want to pay for a whole plan. So, does ClickUp cost money? Yes. Is it worth it? That depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a solopreneur or a small team just getting started, the free plan might be enough. But if you're looking to scale your business or manage complex projects, investing in a paid plan could be a wise decision. Remember, the best way to decide is to give ClickUp a try. The free plan is a great starting point to explore its features and see if it's a good fit for your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,